Ayana Musa, Mufri Musa would for me soon to me, Musa Mogya, Nsam. We have a ye from Yanibro Nibina, Juma or Zambia, more babies, you go Tanzania. Brunino running a fleet of ships. Sikano a fuel for the ships. Ome kubronin no matam sikano no omde afefa mua no omde abedura. Omsi bibi hunu no mo pese be bompaye mo. No mutia o mutai. Omsi sikano yesen. No omsi $2 million. $2 million tight yesen. 200,000 straight up. And I wouldn't mean more tight and go and sorinko. About title was so much Thanksgiving of. Tanya be a 400,000 the minion free. Sabre me come a car 2 weeks in 9 years come. And no cry on you. Kwasia die basel. Yes, Kebiani a day, and you are Biani and any Kunuchimpra, and you are Bia and your guru no way, and you probably on my woman in Yamawapam. A permanent tea, oh, sorry, woman, so I was in Yamaso. I don't know who I'm talking to. Pia! I see a dear basel. So when a nation does not understand how to administer things, order. I'm telling you, these are the principles that governs a nation. Law and order. Law and order. Obijimi yacho yacho. Yacho. I had yacho one friend offer. Over yachim you. Yenye papa. I'm telling you. I was in America when a congressman was arrested. He said, I'm a congressman. He said, the police officer said, I don't care who you are. I don't know you and I don't care who you are. Step out of the vehicle, sir. Congressman Anomansa. And driving with alcohol. So step out of the vehicle. Took up the driver's license. Processed the congressman. The police took the car. Took it to the station. And congressman was put up behind bars. Monday, they took congressman to court. Go and answer to a judge why you are driving drinking. As well, because you been Sigana had that, you been to me sit that. Because o man can you make a